Hi! In front of me is LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Bluetooth section right away. Then tap on this switcher at the top right corner. And after Bluetooth is on, click on those three dots at the bottom right corner. Finally, click on Rename Phone and type in wherever you want to. I will go with Sunny. Lastly, to save your new name, hit Rename in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!